everyone. Hi. I just wanted to say hello, and we are here in New York, and we're having a blizzard, and we stocked up on everything that we need. I went to Big Lots and got some things, and my husband went to Wallbounds and got some things. So we have everything that we need, and we're going to be just fine throughout this storm. And sit here and watch some wrestling. We don't have any wine because there's no wine. We didn't buy any, so I don't know. My husband's looking at me like, why are we talking about wine? So we're gonna be sipping water. Everybody loves water. Keep yourself hydrated during this blizzard. But I just wanted to come and say hello, and I hope everyone has a good evening, good morning, good whatever you want to have it good, and stay blessed.